There is something very, very big happening in India and in the Indian armed forces. और ये हमारे डिफेंस में एक गैप था.
ये इंडिया के लिए कैसे गेम चेंजिंग हो सकता है?
It's going to be quite a lethal and quite a game changer.
How do you feel, BrahMos missile strengthens the Indian defense system? क्या रोल रहा है इस मिसाइल का?
Interesting part of the BrahMos is that it can be fired from a submarine, it can be fired from a ship, it can be fired from an aircraft.
एक और मिसाइल के बारे में मैं बात करना चाहूंगी विच इज द पिनाका मिसाइल एंड उसका बहुत ही बड़ा रोल रहा है वॉर्स में, फॉर एग्जांपल इन द कारगिल वॉर.
Can you imagine 44 seconds में 72 missiles get fired?
Greatest coordination between the three arms of the Indian defense.
We become men from boys together.
Colonel, India's first tactical ballistic missile, the Pralay missile, is going to make its debut this Republic Day. पाकिस्तान और चाइना के पास ये ऑलरेडी है. ये इंडिया के लिए कैसे गेम चेंजिंग हो सकता है?
Like you said, it is a tactical missile. It is called SRBM, Short Range Ballistic Missile. और ये हमारे डिफेंस में एक गैप था. We did not have a missile system which was conventional, tactical, which could be deployed and which could be fired first hand because we have a no first use nuclear policy. मतलब हम अपने न्यूक्लियर मिसाइल्स जो हैं वो पहल हम अटैक नहीं कर सकते जब तक हमारे पर कोई न्यूक्लियर अटैक ना करे. So this kind of overcomes that obstacle. It is a missile which can be used against radar installations, command centers, airstrips. In fact, it carries three kinds of ammunition: a high explosive fragmentation. It also carries a penetration cum blast warhead and runway denial, जिसको बोलते हैं RDPS. मतलब it can be used against runways. You put it on the runway, it will penetrate and blast, so it will make the runway non-usable.
किस टाइप के सिचुएशंस में ये काफी इफेक्टिव प्रूव हो सकती है?
आपको पता है कि जब लड़ाई चलने वाली होगी तो जो उनके फॉरवर्ड एयर स्ट्रिप्स हैं वहाँ से उनके हवाई जहाज अपने पर अटैक करेंगे. उस क्षण पे अगर इसको इस्तेमाल किया जाए ताकि उनके एयरक्राफ्ट अपने फौज के ऊपर उड़ान ही ना भर सकें एंड इट मेक्स दैट रनवे इम्पॉसिबल. या कोई भी रनवे रिपेयर हो सकता है पर उन घंटों में आप उसको अगर उसको इनवैलिडेट कर देंगे तो वो रिपेयर ही नहीं हो पाएगा. उसको रिपेयर होने में शायद 4 दिन लगेंगे, तब तक लड़ाई ख़त्म हो जाएगी. तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में या कोई क्रिटिकल कमांड सेंटर है जहाँ से वो डिसीजन मेकिंग कर रहे हैं, कोई रेडार स्टेशंस हैं जहाँ से अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन फीड हो रही है, वो उस टाइम जब अटैक होने वाला उसके चंद घंटे पहले आप उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर दोगे तो वो पैरालिसिस हो जाता है. एक पैरालिटिक सिचुएशन हो जाती है कि उनका कमांड सेंटर ही नहीं वर्क कर रहा या रेडार सिस्टम्स ही नहीं वर्क कर रहे या कम्युनिकेशन सेंटर से कम्युनिकेशन ही नहीं हो पा रहा या रनवे ही आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर हो गया है. तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में इट काइंड ऑफ फ्रीजेस द वॉर and freezes the decision making process and freezes the communication. So that is how you kind of overcome. So war is fought on different fronts. It is not just bayonet to bayonet and man to man, पर उसके पीछे भी लड़ाई चल रही होती है, उसके अलग अलग पहलू होते हैं लड़ाई के. So that is when it will be used and I think it's going to be quite a lethal and quite a game changer. प्रलय के अंदर एक बहुत यूनिक फीचर है which is the mid course correction. अगर प्रलय को जैसे एंटी बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल्स लॉन्च होते हैं, जैसे आपने देखा होगा ये जो अभी पैलेस्टाइन और इजराइल के बीच में जो वॉर हो रही थी, जब हमास ने हज़ारों मिसाइल्स फायर किए थे इजराइल के ऊपर, बट इजराइल हैड अ कैनोपी जहाँ पे उनकी जो दैट कैनोपी टुक ओवर और उनके जो एंटी बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल्स थे दे काइंड ऑफ destroyed all the cruise missiles which were coming. So very less damage was caused into Israel and Tel Aviv because of this missile cover that Israel had. Similarly, when the Pralay is fired and Pakistan or China, they fire an anti-ballistic missile against Pralay, Pralay has the capability of doing a mid-course correction to avoid the anti-ballistic missile which is being fired.
Wow.
It's got an engine, it's got a special drive in it. Wow. So that will will change course and go in a different direction and avoid this anti-ballistic missile. So but interesting.
Another, game changer for India was the BrahMos missile. India is on the verge of signing a $450 million deal with Indonesia, on the BrahMos missile. How do you feel, BrahMos missile strengthens the इंडियन डिफेंस सिस्टम? क्या रोल रहा है इस मिसाइल का?
Interesting question. So the BrahMos is a joint venture between India and Russia. एंड ब्रह्मोस लाइक बिकॉज इट इज अ जॉइंट वेंचर, दो नदियों के नाम से लिया गया है, ब्रह्मपुत्र एंड मस्वावा, दैट इज व्हाई इट कॉल्ड ब्रह्मोस, दैट इज द सेकंड रिवर इज इन रशिया.
Very interesting.
It is a medium range missile. And incidentally, in 23-24, we also signed 23. We also signed a deal with the Philippines, and one the missile system is already a $375 million की deal signed हुई थी. So this is the second deal. So we've already sent a missile system to the Philippines, and it is also against it's a fire and forget missile. मतलब उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा उसके ऊपर आपको navigate नहीं करना पड़ता, आप fire करो, it will constantly home on to its target. It's a cruise missile, and it is used. The interesting part of the BrahMos is that it can be fired from a submarine, it can be fired from a ship, it can be fired from an aircraft and in a land platform. So one missile system can be fired across 4 different dynamics. That is what makes it such a unique missile system, and that is why there is a growing interest in this missile system.
एक और मिसाइल के बारे में मैं बात करना चाहूंगी, विच इज द पिनाका मिसाइल, एंड उसका बहुत ही बड़ा रोल रहा है वॉर्स में, फॉर एग्जांपल इन द कारगिल वॉर. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू काइंड ऑफ से अबाउट इट?
Pinaka is Shiva's bow. Do you know that? शिवा का जो बो है, जो धनुष है, उसको पिनाका बोलते हैं. और उनका जो साम था, वो उन्होंने उसकी जो बो की जो स्ट्रिंग है, उस साम को यूज़ करके उन्होंने वो बो यूज़ किया था. And that is how the Pinaka, and it is used to deliver justice. So Pinaka will deliver justice. It's the very lethal missile system. It is a multi-barrel rocket launcher. मतलब एक टाइम के अंदर उसके अंदर से 12 मिसाइल्स निकलते हैं. And they normally deploy a battery. So a battery will consist of 6 such missile systems firing. So 72 missiles get fired in 44 seconds. Can you imagine? 44 seconds में 72 missiles get fired, and approximately 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer area will get nullified or destroyed. And the first time it was used because the trials were being carried out, and we used it in Kargil with lethal effect. They were used against command centers and troops which were there on the heights, and it was very, very effective. We've already supplied it to Armenia, incidentally. So this is all part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat project, and the Indian defense industry is, I think, gearing up with all these kind of sales that are happening, and our defense production is being recognized world over. France also is contemplating, and they are doing trials on the Pinaka, and they probably might end up buying the Pinaka from us. So it's not only the missile system that goes, but also part of our culture, because each of these missiles is connected to the Indian culture, and that's how France will probably have the Pinaka. So it is also a game changer, and it is also a very, very lethal missile.
So Republic Day में we just see a very exemplary display of unity between the 3 arms of the Indian defense. क्या आपके दिमाग में ऐसा कोई मिशन या फिर एग्जाम्पल है जिसमें you saw the greatest coordination between the 3 arms of the Indian defense?
Before I answer this question, आपको पता है there is an institution in India called the National Defense Academy. I am from the National Defense Academy. I am from the 68th course. My father was from the National Defense Academy. He was from the 18th course. General Malik, who was the chief during the Kargil war, he is my father's course mate. वो एक ही course के थे. The National Defense Academy came up in 1954. The army thinks so much ahead. And one of the missions of the National Defense Academy is to foster coordination between the 3 services. Because cadets of Army, Navy and Air Force are trained together. They grow up together, they train together, and then they go to the separate academies. Army वाले Army Academy में जाते हैं, Indian Military Academy में, Navy वाले Naval Academy में जाते हैं. But वो 3 साल इकट्ठा फ्रंट रोलिंग करते हैं, इकट्ठा जो है restrictions भागते हैं, इकट्ठा पढ़ते हैं, रोते हैं, हंसते हैं, and we become men from boys together. That bond continues through the army. Today, you'll be surprised to know that the Army Chief and the Air Force Chief are course mates. एक ही कोर्स के हैं, 65th कोर्स. मेरे से 3 कोर्स सीनियर थे वो. They are from the same course. They've trained together. The Army Chief and the Naval Chief are from the same school, Sainik School, Rewa. Classmates हैं वो. Now, if the 3 service chiefs have trained together as cadets, you can imagine automatically the services will coordinate. वो इतने करीब हैं एक दूसरे के. The army has carried out joint operations. There was an operation called Operation Cactus, which was in Maldives. 1988 में Maldives में coup हुआ था against President Guillaume, and India had sent its 50 parachute brigade there. जब Navy और Air Force ने help किया था, and we kind of, those mercenaries were Sri Lankan and Maldivian, and we overcame that coup. So that was a joint operation. Then Sri Lanka mein, when in IPAKF, when Indian Peacekeeping Force, that was a joint operation because the Air Force was involved, the Navy was involved in carrying out a naval blockade of Sri Lanka, and of course the army was there. ऑप मेघदूत जो सियाचिन में जो लड़ाई चल रही है उसको ऑप मेघदूत बोलते हैं. सियाचिन में देयर इज़ अ वेरी क्लोज कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन द एयर फोर्स एंड द आर्मी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स कारगिल ऑप विजय अगेन बिटवीन द एयर फोर्स एंड द आर्मी. बट हियर I want to talk about the future, and there is something very very big happening in India and in the Indian Armed Forces. ये जो coordinations थे ये बहुत छोटे level के थे, and these coordinations were at the highest level. मतलब army chief और naval chief बैठ के decide कर रहे थे. But the army is going in for something called integrated theater commands. Today we have 17 commands. 7 in the army, 7 in the air force, and 3 in the navy. In सब को mix करके they are going to make 3 integrated commands. These integrated commands are available in China also. So we want to basically counter China. So this integrated command will be, one will be against Pakistan, one will be against China, and one will be looking south on the maritime zone. This integrated command, there will be one commander, and he'll have elements of army, navy and air force all with him. So he'll be able to take decisions. अभी क्या होता है कि जब लड़ाई चलती है, जब जंग होती है, तो एयरफोर्स को बुलाया जाता है, नेवी को बुलाया जाता है, बोलता है कि हाँ अभी प्लानिंग करो. बट दे आर स्टिल वर्किंग इन देयर ओन साइलोज. बट जब आप एक ही फोर्स क्रिएट करते हो, वो फोर्स इकट्ठा होती है, तो उसका जो रिस्पॉन्स होता है, उसका जो पोटेंशियल होता है, उसके अंदर जो लिथैलिटी होती है, उसके अंदर जो कोऑर्डिनेशंस होती हैं, वो it is of a different level only. We are actually 2 such integrated commands existing today. One is the Andaman and Nicobar command, where the Army, Navy and Air Force work in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, because वहाँ पे the geography dictates that the Navy and the Army and the Air Force work together. And the second is the Strategic Forces Command, which has been created, which controls the nuclear assets of India. That is a joint command. But these 3 commands, when they come up, these theater commands which they come up, and each of them will be headed by a 3-star general. It could be an army or a navy or an air force general. When they get created, these will be game changers for India. And that is already happening. There was a parliamentary decision which happened a couple of years back. There is the post of the CDS, the Chief of the Defence Staff, which was created, which is above the 3 chiefs. And he heads an organization called the Department of Military Affairs. Now that and these theater commands is what we are doing to form this integration at a global level.
Truly sounds very promising.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.